What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are kind of excited. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm very excited because my new seats just got here. And these aren't, you know, the fancy, expensive seats. Like I said, this is going to be for my drift car, which is right out there. And I want to get some seat time and get used to drifting and get used to good, you know, going through the whole process, getting a lot of seat time. Lots and lots of seat time. So I got some, you know, eBay seats. I think they were like $300. I'm gonna see if I fit in them first, and then just waiting for the brackets to get here from the USPS. Once those get here, then I'll start on installing that. The all-wheel drive EG hatchback still running. Got it on a battery tender because I haven't driven it in a couple days, but there's probably going to be some videos coming along down the road of the car, but I think these seats will work perfectly. They seem rather wide, so let's go ahead and open these up, see if I fit in them, and if I do, we're good. We got racing seats for the Drift E46. Now, the seats look pretty wide, actually, and I think they'll do the job, honestly. Where does this go here? Or does it go here? I'm guessing. I'm so confused. Oh, okay, I think that goes there, and this goes here. Might need to raise this up a little bit. I think that's how it goes. See if I fit in this seat. I hope so. Get the rest of the plastic off. But I mean, it's not too terrible. I mean, it's your cheap fiberglass seat, but I think it'll do the job for what I need it to do. See if I fit in it. Ooh, not too bad. I mean, I fit. I'm not that big of a guy, but I fit. And I think everyone else that sits in the car should be able to fit. But this seat seems rather nice. And it does come with sliders. So it does slide a little bit. Not sure how good it's sliding right there. But yeah, I think this is going to work really, really good. And at least get me some type of seat and retention inside of the car when I try to take it and do some drifties. So this is going to be the first mod. I still have a bunch of stuff coming in. So at least we'll be able to get some stuff done on the car and get moving on it. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to make it for the 30th drift event that Method Auto Group is going to be putting together. But I know there will be more events throughout the year, so I'll be able to go to those events as well and get some seat time, learn how to drift, possibly start doing some figure eights, or maybe just spin out and do donuts everywhere. We'll see how it goes. Time will tell. But I'm taking you guys with me. So once we get those rails in, we'll be able to get the new seats installed, get them, you know, nice and positioned where I want them to be, and then hopefully move on to the next set of upgrades that we're going to be doing to the car. Hopefully next step is taking the car up to Hub City Performance and getting some of that, doing the manual swap, doing the welding the rear diff, doing the rear end reinforcement. Everything I find on all either YouTube or any of the forums, and a bunch of people are telling me that have E46s that drift. That is one of the major pain points of E46s. So I'm gonna give it a try. And there's a bunch of mounts and stuff like that I also gotta upgrade, which I showed you guys in the last video. So there's a bunch of parts in the trunk, and we get moving on that and get the car up to where it needs to be. So let's get to installing these seats. All right, so the first step is to take all these bolts out and get the seats out. And then once we do that, I can put the brackets in and the new bucket seats. So let's do that. These are the nuts in the rears. These are 16s. I'm used to Hondas having like the little 12s and the 14s. German engineering, I guess. see if there's any bolts, or sorry, any plugs in the back of this thing. Yep, looks like there's. Oh, I found myself some money. So there's these plugs. I guess this is the only one I need to take off. But there's a bunch of old nasty quarters. So what I'm gonna do is, since I have the seats out, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this up, get the inside a little bit cleaner. I mean, it is a drift car, it doesn't really matter to me, but might as well do it and get some stuff cleaned up. So let's do that and get these clips out, and then I'll start vacuuming. It's actually a pretty simple clip to take out. Slide out, pull, clips out. All right, let's get the seat out of here. One heavy seat. Dear God. That is one heavy seat. Oh, zoomed in on you guys. There we go. That's one really heavy seat. So I do need to take the seatbelt harness or bracket off of there, and then should be good. And then we'll get everything done. Oh, someone left the heck is this? Oh, little thing for, I guess, a vape, Aspire. Oh, whatever. So there's a couple quarters here, a little bit of money, a little bit of change. There's a nice quarter. Some of these are old and nasty, but there you go, a couple bucks, not even. But yeah, this plug was actually kind of easy to take out. You just slide a little piece, and then it kind of just pulls right out, so it wasn't that bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna continue on this side, get the rest of this out, and then vacuum it, and then I'll show you guys the install of the passenger side seat. Driver side seat's pretty much gonna be exactly the same, so I won't show you guys that, but at least you guys get to see before and after, and how all that works. So let me clean this up, and then you guys will see me installing the brackets here in 3, 2, 1. All right, so looking at the seat bracket, it already has a bolt hole for that. So let me mount that first for the seat belt. So it has that already. So I will just use that, get a 12 and a 12 nut, and secure that to the bracket. I did not know that until I opened this up. I was going to fit one bolt there. That's in. So this seat goes in like so. We got seat brackets now, seat belt. So let's go put this in the car. Woo. All right, so here we go. Kind of gonna run into an issue here, and I see why. So you guys see that thing right there? That needs to come off. So I'm gonna rip that off here in a second. That works, I guess, for now. Perfect. Seatbelt's in, everything else is in. I think we're good with this one. Someone decides to sit all the way in the back, it's gonna suck. But once again, I'm not really crazy about the placement of the seatbelt bracket. I don't know if maybe I put them on backwards. That wouldn't make any sense. Actually, I might have. Let me test that theory out. and see if I put the left side on the right side and the right side on the left side. That's gonna suck if I gotta take these back out. So, all right, so whatever, let's do it. All right, so I did put the seats in incorrectly, or at least the brackets. So the brackets are supposed to have the seatbelt portion toward the back. I actually flipped it, put it towards the front, and that's one of the reasons why that one bolt was extremely hard and actually cross-threaded, but it's still tight. So as long as it tightened, it didn't loosen, we're good. So let's go ahead and put this one back in, and I think we should be good to go with the racing seat install. Nothing too crazy or difficult, more of just sometimes I do stupid stuff, like in the video where I forgot the rear main seal. So hopefully I don't do that when I do the transmission swap on this car. But that's just to show you guys that a lot of the times you can edit all this stuff out, and I want to show you guys what actually happens. I want to show you guys and share everything with you guys. So the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I think it makes for some fun and exciting content, seeing me mess up. And you know, we're all human. I'm not like I said earlier, I'm not a race car builder or whatever. I'm just a dude that just wants to have some fun and do stuff in his garage, you know, pass the time. So this is my hobby aside from DJing as well, so can't really complain on that front either. So hey, it happens. It's just how it works. Don't mind the crazy dogs across the street. They really like barking a lot at everything that walks, anything and everything. So you'll hear them, like, it sounds like they're trying to, I don't know, like they're dying. They're not, they just like barking. There we go. All right, let's move the seat front forward. I gotta get in it because it's an annoying spring. It's kind of hard to move forward and backwards, but it'll do. Whew, that was tough. All right, guys, so the racing seats are installed. I need to throw those in the junkyard, I guess, get rid of those, but I think they came out pretty good. They'll do the job for sure. They're a little dirty and whatnot, but honestly, they will do the job. They're a little, well, they move a little bit, I guess, because of the rails. But it's terrible. I mean, it's not too terrible. I'm not bad at them. I mean, I'm not mad at all with these seats. See how comfortable they are? They look good in the car at least. But later down the road, I'm probably going to get some Buddy Clubs or some Sparkos or something more reliable. This is just to get me by for my first couple of events that I do. I doubt I'm going to be doing any tandems or get hit, so I think I should be all right. But these actually don't look that bad inside of the car, so I will take it. That's pretty much the episode. Nothing too crazy. I just installed seats. Hopefully next episode I'll be able to get some more stuff done on the car, and actually start doing the manual swap and doing some more things to the car to make it drift ready. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and if you guys want to see more content on the E46 drift car build, leave a comment below, send me a message on Instagram at Distraction Garage, and if you guys want to see more videos of the all-wheel drive EG hatchback, those are for sure coming soon. So thank you guys very much, and see you guys next time. I'm out.